In this video, I will show you how you can fix if your iPhone's Wi-Fi keeps disconnecting. Now to fix this issue, first of all, just open the control center, then go to the connection section in the control center. Now just tap on the airplane mode icon and turn it on. Now just wait for a couple of seconds, and while you have enabled airplane mode on your iPhone, you can restart your Wi-Fi router, because the issue can be also with your router. Just restart your Wi-Fi, and after that just turn off airplane mode and check if your issue has been fixed or not. If your issue is not fixed, then just go to settings, and from here just tap on general. Under the general settings, just tap on transfer or reset iPhone, then tap on reset. And from this pop-up menu, just select reset network settings, then tap on reset network settings, and by doing this you will reset all the network settings on your iPhone. And do not worry, this option will not delete any data of your iPhone. It will just reset all the network settings of your iPhone. Now after you've done that, now just check if your issue has been fixed or not. If your issue is still not fixed, then just go to settings, and under settings, just tap on mobile data. Now if you have a SIM card or an eSIM set up on your iPhone, on this page just look for the option for Wi-Fi Assist. If the Wi-Fi Assist feature has been enabled, just turn it off. After you do that, then just go back and tap on General. Under the general settings, just tap on date and time, and from here just check if the date and time on your iPhone are correct or not. If the date or the time are incorrect, just tap on the date and you can set the date manually from here. And with the same way, you can tap on the time and you can set the time manually just like that. But what I recommend is just enable set automatically. And by doing this, your iPhone will set the correct date and time according to your region. Now if you have done that and if this also did not fix your issue, then the last thing you can do is just go back to the general settings and tap on transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on reset. Now from this pop-up menu, just select reset all settings. Then tap on reset all settings. Now it might ask you to enter the passcode of the lock screen, but after you do that, then just tap on reset all settings and you will reset all the settings of your iPhone. And also this option will not delete any data of your iPhone, it will just reset all the settings of your iPhone. And this is how you can fix if your iPhone's Wi-Fi keeps disconnecting. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.